Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make a 3D animation website in Figma. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. If you're searching for cutting-edge design and collaboration software, click the link in the description box below to sign up and get started with Figma today. Now let's go ahead and open to our web browser and simply go to your Figma project that you're currently working on. So for example, you just have your plain web design right here, or your web UI design. And in order for us to incorporate 3D animation, you need to have a plugin where it has the Figma to Dora option. Dora is actually a platform where it allows you to incorporate 3D animation into your web design without the use of code. So it's definitely for free. And we will teach you step by step on how you'll be able to add a 3D animation into your project here. So the first thing you can do is that when you log into Dora, the first thing that you will be creating is a new project. Once you have created a new project, what you will do is that you need to go back to Figma. You need to copy all the layers and paste it into the new project that you have here on Dora. So once you've pasted it, you just need to resize and make sure that it would fit the Dora canvas that you will be using in creating your web design. So now that we have exported or linked the layers that we had from Figma to Dora, the next thing that we will do is we will incorporate a 3D model into our web design. What we will use here is sketchfab.com, where there are some 3D animations that are in purchase or has a cost, but some of it are actually for free. So you just need to look for a 3D model that you can definitely download for free. And there's some limitations, but if you can definitely make use of the 3D animations without purchasing any or without spending an amount for it, you can definitely do so. So all you have to do is once you have looked for a 3D model, you can just click on download 3D model and then make sure that you will be clicking on the GLB file. And then once you have downloaded the GLB file, you need to click on this box icon at the top part of the website or at Dora. This is a tool that will allow you to incorporate 3D model into your web design easily. So you just need to lay it out where you want to place the 3D model that you've downloaded. So this is a 3D model that I've downloaded ahead of time. You can definitely rotate it, switch it, toggle it around, making sure that it would fit perfectly here into your website, that it would not look so off, or it would complement or blend with your UI design or web design that you're creating. So as you can see, the website that I'm creating here is about butterflies. So it's just a idea that I have, or a concept that I want to incorporate into a website. For example, my website is about butterflies. I can definitely, or flora and fauna, where it's more about nature. And then now that we have the flower, what we can do is we can look for a butterfly. You can actually choose a 3D animation, whether it's just the 3D model or the one with the animated butterfly like this one where it actually will move. You have that option, but you just need to make sure that with the file that you will be downloading, make sure it's the animated one so that when you incorporate that into your website, it also will be animated. So here, we just need to download that. So the same thing with the 3D tool at the top part of Dora, just place the layout or where you want to incorporate or add the 3D model. And now that you have that, here on the left side panel of the screen, you'll be able to see that there's a option for 3D animation. Just toggle on the flying option. You can adjust the speed, you can adjust the blend, but you can definitely adjust whatever you want, whether you want the butterfly to fly fast or slow motion, you can definitely do so. Now that we have incorporated a butterfly, into our web design, what we will be doing next is that we will be moving the butterfly around the web page as you scroll along. So what you need to do here is that here, on the upper left side of the screen, you'll be able to see that beside the cloud icon or the desktop icon, there is a 3-line option that is a keyframe where it actually will allow you to animate. So with every scroll that you do, the butterfly that we have right here will be moving around the website, which would look cool and it would attract or gain interest, or it would be more interesting to your web users. So all you have to do here is click on this button right here, and then here you just need to click on the diamond icon, and then you just move this block or toggle the block tool here. This is where you will be able to adjust on where you want to put a keyframe. So for example, on this keyframe or the next keyframe, you want the butterfly to move on this part of your web design. And then you can definitely create a pattern, whether you want it circular or you just need to have multiple keyframes so that you will be able to have a natural looking movement for your butterfly right here. So you just move it around like this. And then make sure that with the name of the 3D model, 3D widget 2, make sure that you have the diamond beside the pin icon to be red. That indicates that that specific part or that specific position of the 3D model is already part of the keyframe. So you just keep on doing that until you will be satisfied on where is the final placement of your butterfly. So here, so the last part here is that I want to have the butterfly landing on the flowers that I have. And you will see later on that as we preview our website or our web design, it will be animated as we scroll down into the website that we've created here, or the web design. One here. You just take a while to load. You just need to wait that the butterfly will show. It may take a while. So just do some adjustments right here. And there you have it. When we click on a preview, you'll be able to see that when we scroll down into the website, from the middle of these two words, flora and fauna, the butterfly has moved or will fly to the flowers that we added earlier on. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to make a 3D animation web design using Figma and Dora with no codes being used. And that's the end of the video. Hope you liked the tutorial that we had today. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!